Good morning, welcome to Catex TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2015. If you want to follow us on Twitter, go to Catex TV. Well, the reaction has begun to come in now officially from shareholders of Partner Re to the all-cash offer for the purchase of the company by the Agnelli investment group. The investment vehicle used by the Agnellis is EXOR, E-X-O-R, and they have made a $6.6 billion all-cash offer for Partner Re. And it now seems as if Axis Capital, which already has an offer lower than that, but not all cash, partially composed of stock, is going to have to raise its bid if it wants to continue. The second biggest shareholder in Partner Re, Franklin Mutual Advisors, has said that the $6.6 billion all-cash offer from EXOR was, quote, much superior to the Axis transaction. Peter Langerman, who's the CEO of Franklin Mutual, told Reuters that Franklin was not happy with the terms of the Axis deal, adding that Franklin had expressed that view to the company. And large shareholders like Franklin Mutual will have the chance now to cash out from the EXOR bid at a higher valuation. It could ultimately prove much more attractive than the lower valuation, especially after the news yesterday from the Agnellis that they would want Partner to continue as an independent reinsurance company and would not be looking to make any major management changes. Yesterday there was an outage at the Bloomberg trading terminals, mainly in London, but it affected the operations worldwide. The terminals are used by the world's biggest financial firms. They went down for about actually, this event happened this morning. Excuse me for that. They went down for 2.5 hours this morning in London. The outage began just as trading was getting into full swing at about 8 a.m. in London. That would be about 3 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. Bloomberg was not available initially to explain the outage. They have since said that it was due to an internal network issue. This is a very rare phenomenon for Bloomberg terminals. The company, of course, was begun by former New York City Mayor Michael Bloomberg in the early 1980s. It's privately held. The problem did not appear to be affecting any of the other Bloomberg operations, nor was it reported on Bloomberg websites or on its radio station or on its TV channel. The disruption is likely to cause concern at Bloomberg. They've become the world's biggest financial information provider, overtaking rivals such as Reuters. They have 320,000 terminal subscribers worldwide. The situation was so acute that the UK government postponed a £3 billion debt sale after the Bloomberg terminals crashed. The UK's Debt Management Office, which organizes bond issues on behalf of the UK government, said that due to ongoing technical issues with a third-party platform supplier, it was postponing its planned tender offer of short-term bills. They did, in fact, I guess after the Bloomberg situation was returned to normalcy, they did, in fact, let the auction go between 12:30 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. British Summer Time. So that auction is actually still ongoing as we speak, but it's a signal that the terminals are back in operation. Rod Fox's reinsurance broker, Tiger Risk, has confirmed the appointment of Tony Ursano as president. The Insurance Insider revealed last week that Ursano had resigned from his role as chief executive at Willis Capital Markets. And his new role at Tiger Risk, he's going to be sourcing the most efficient forms of capital and building an M&A business. Ursano had led Willis's M&A and insurance-linked security advisory arm for the past 5 years. Authorities say one person is dead following an explosion at a Tampa Bay area gas plant down in Florida. Tarpon Springs police say the accidental explosion occurred Thursday afternoon at the Magnus Gas Corporation, which is an alternative energy company. One man was found dead, another was flown to a hospital in St. Petersburg. According to the Magnus Gas website, the company converts liquid waste into a hydrogen-based fuel, which can be used for metal cutting, cooking, heating, and powering natural gas biofuel automobiles. It sounds like pretty combustible material. A government plane carrying the Serbian president Tomislav Nikolic for an official visit to the Vatican returned to Belgrade this morning because of an engine failure. and the flight was canceled. Nicolic's press office said that one engine on the government Falcon 50 plane suffered technical problems in flight. Serbian media said one of the 3 engines failed while the jet was cruising toward Rome over the Adriatic Sea. The plane suddenly lost altitude before an experienced pilot recovered it and landed safely in Belgrade. Nikolic was to meet Pope Francis later today. No new date for the meeting has been set. That's the news for today. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you Monday.